Hello guys, in this video we will see what is squad join failed in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of what squad join failed means. Content the squad join failed error in Battlefields typically indicates an issue preventing a player from successfully joining an existing squad, whether it's a pre-made group of friends or an in-game public squad. This error often points to underlying network connectivity, problems, server-side issues with the game's squad management system, or desynchronization between your game client and the server or the squad leader's client. It can manifest when attempting to accept an invitation, join directly through a friend's profile, or try to merge into a squad via the game's menu. Step basic game and system checks content before diving into complex solutions. First, verify the fundamental elements. Ensure your internet connection is stable and functional. A quick speed test can confirm this. Check the official Battlefield server status pages, if available, or relevant community hubs to see if there are widespread outages or maintenance impacting squad functionality. Confirm that your Battlefield's game client is fully updated to the latest version, as out-of-date clients can cause compatibility issues. Finally, perform a full restart of your game application and your gaming platform console to clear any temporary glitches or corrupted session data. Step the network configuration troubleshooting. Content many squad join failed errors stem from network configuration. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for at least seconds before plugging them back in, which can often resolve temporary network hiccups. If you are on a Wi-Fi connection, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection to eliminate potential wireless interference or signal drops. Investigate your network's NAT network address translation. Type an open or moderate NAT is generally preferred for online gaming, while strict NAT can severely limit connectivity. Consider temporarily disabling any firewalls or antivirus software on your to rule them out as a blockage, and if port forwarding is an option, ensure the necessary Battlefield ports are open. Step in game-specific solutions. Content sometimes the issue is within the game's social system itself. Instead of joining through external menace or friend lists, try having the squad leader send a direct in-game invitation. If that fails, the squad leader can disband the current squad and reform it, then re-invite members, as a corrupted squad instance can sometimes be the cause. Ensure that all squad members are running the exact same version of Battlefields and are connected to the same regional servers, as version or region mismatches can prevent successful squad joins. As a workaround, try joining a different public game or server first, and then attempt to join your squad members from within that new lobby. Step advanced diagnostics and support content. If previous steps have not resolved the issue, consider more advanced measures. Clear the game's cache on your respective platform. Clear persistent storage on consoles. Delete cache files to remove potentially corrupted temporary files. As a last resort, a full reinstallation of Battlefield can resolve deeply embedded file corruption that affects networking or squad functionality. If the problem persists, gather diagnostic information, such as your operating system details, network configuration, and screenshots of the error message. Then contact official e-support for Battlefields. They can provide specialized assistance and investigate server-side issues impacting your ability to join squads.